Well, here it is, the new exhaust on the 04 GSA. Check it out. Oh yeah, my horn went, so I got a new horn. No more cat. Look at the catalytic converter. Retains oxygen sensor on the Y pipe into the Z-Technic. Nice tight fit. Really feel the gain. Now for the horn mounted right in the spot of the stock one. It's called a Bad Boy air horn. Ready? Much better than the stock. Yeah, it's February 15th. Florida, 72 degrees. Once more. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Old system was 29 pounds, new system 8 pounds. More torque between 4,000 RPMs and 5,000 RPMs. A lot more torque. Gotta love it. Peace.